Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, this is Rangita Khiriju and I hope you guys are doing great as always. So guys, in this whole video, I'm gonna show you guys my very beautiful collections of trousers, very Pinteresty inspired trousers from Meesho for this summer. And I've seen all my collections, they are so great and the price is very reasonable. So without any further ado, let's begin. So guys, my first purchase of trousers from Meesho is this very Pinteresty white and pink trouser, guys. So this is the trouser and it's so beautiful, guys. You can see the trouser, it's very beautiful. I love this trouser very much. The color design is so great, and also it's written H&M here, see. And I got these trousers at 305 something, and the price the size I've ordered it's small size. So guys, you can see that the color is very pretty. Okay, I already have these kinds of trousers with me in the different color. So yeah, I thought ki, and again it's summer and the quality, the fabric is great for the summer. तो इसलिए मैंने सोचा कि I need in this pink color, so I've ordered this in pink color. And also I like this design very much. This design is so beautiful, so that's why I've ordered this trouser. But you can see that the length of this trouser is so short for me. I've tried these trousers like, and the length is very short, and also I've ordered in small size, so maybe because of that this area, this my waist area, it was so tight for me. So I think I'm gonna exchange this one and I'll get myself in a bigger size. So this is my trouser, and you will get two pockets here, so this one and two. So this is how the trousers looks. And also guys, you guys will get different design in this kind of color in this trouser, so make sure to buy this one. But guys, this trouser is great. Okay, the only problem is the size. I don't like the size. I have a serious issue with the size, but I'm gonna change myself and I will get myself in a bigger size. So this is my first trouser. Let's move on to my second. So guys, my second trousers from Meesho is this, again very beautiful. This ta-da! So this is my very beautiful bow trousers from Meesho. So see guys, it has got so many, like one, two, three bows on both the sides of this trousers. See, this is how it looks. And guys, the color is so pretty and it's like perfect Pinteresty trousers from Meesho, guys. I love this trousers so much. Even this lace is so beautiful. So again, it has so there's no pocket. Yeah. Oh, okay, it has one pocket here. And yeah, it is okay, both the side you will get pockets. See, so it has two pockets on both the sides. So this is my very beautiful trousers from Meesho, and I got this at, again it's like 300 something only. And the size I've ordered, it's in, okay, so I can see the size here. I'm gonna mention here, so do check. So this is my very beautiful trousers from Meesho, and also you guys will get different color in this same design. And so yeah, I love this trousers, but only the problem with this trouser is that I feel like this trouser is bit see-through. Like when I was trying these trousers, I can feel like I see it's see-through. You can see that from my heart bhi dekhe de rahe. So yeah, this is like this is very see-through, not very, but yeah, little see-through. So that's the disadvantage of this trousers. Otherwise, it's a very great trousers and a must-have Pinteresty trousers from Meesho, guys. So guys, my another trousers from Meesho is this very cool trousers. So guys, ta-da! So this is my very cool trousers from Meesho. So this is how it looks. It has got this stripe designs on both the side of this trouser. So yeah guys, I love this trouser. Again, I already have this kinds of trouser with me. I bought that from Meesho too only. So this is the picture of that trouser. So I love this trouser very much. This is like a perfect, very cool trouser. And also the fabric is nylon, which is very great, and it's good for this summer. And I got this trouser at 362 something, and the size I've ordered is in M size. So guys, I got this trouser because, as I said, I already have this kind of trousers with me in different colors. So that trouser was very long for me, so I passed that trouser to my younger, like she has a very good height. So yeah, I passed that to her, and I thought ki I need to buy something in the same design because the fabric is very great. It's nylon and price is very reasonable. The design is so cool. So that's why I got this trouser. So this is how it looks in bottom side of this pant, and it has got this thing so which you can adjust it and you can style it as per your wish. So yeah, this is how it looks. So you guys can style this trouser in so many ways. Like it will look great with so many like crop. t-shirts and then oversized with shirts. It's gonna look great with everything. So this is again a must-have trousers from Meesho. Guys, my another trousers from Meesho is this very beautiful Pinteresty trouser, guys. So ta-da! This is my trouser, guys. Look at this thing. I'm literally just a girl, guys. See, I love this coat very much, and also the bow design here. It's so pretty. This is a perfect Pinteresty trousers again from Meesho. I love this trouser very much. This is how it looks. So see, and the fabric is cotton. It's good only. Like we can easily wear this in this summer because yeah, we can wear this. It's इतना खराब भी नहीं है हम पहन सकते हैं इसे easily. So it has got pocket on both the sides of this trousers. From back side, this is how it looks. So this is the trouser, the overall look of this trouser. And I got this trousers at again 300 only, 300 का आसपास पे ही मुझे मिला है. And the size I've ordered, I think it's M size, I guess it's 30. Yeah, M size ही होगा. So I love this trouser very much. It's again a very Pinteresty trouser. So you guys will get different trousers, like different color, not color, same color but different kind of design in this trouser. So make sure to check this trouser too because it's so Pinteresty, guys. So guys, my another trousers from Meesho. I've ordered these trousers in combo, so I will show you the first one, which is this. So this is my favorite trousers from all my collections. Okay, so this is the trousers. I love these trousers very much. It's in this yellow color and then white. It's very pretty, guys. The trouser is so interesting color. Everything is so good. And guys, the best thing about this trouser is that it's fitting. The size is so good, guys. I've tried this trouser and the fitting it's perfect for my body, which I love it. And yeah, so this is my first trouser. It's so Pinteresty, very pretty. You will get pockets on both the sides of this trouser. So this is how it look. Very simple, very Pinteresty trousers. And the another trousers I have is this trouser. So this is the trouser. So I already have this kinds of trousers with me and I'm still like I'm wearing it now, right guys. This trouser is great. Okay, it's so Pinteresty. You can see that the color is so great. It has good pocket on both the sides and it has got some designs here. So this is the designs of the trouser. See, this is how it looks. So I love these trousers very much. That's why I have ordered these kinds of trousers earlier also. But now the problem with this trouser is that its size. So the size it's showing here is 32. But then again, it's very tight for me. You can see in this video like the fitting. It's not good for my body. That's the thing I don't like about this trouser. But otherwise, it's a very good trousers from Meesho, guys. And also, you guys will get different kinds of combo from Meesho with this kind of trousers only. So guys, these are my collections of trousers from Meesho. Do let me know which one you guys like the most. And make sure to subscribe my channel. Do let me know which one you guys want to see next time. And as usual, links are in the description box. So मिल जाएंगे जरूर check कर लेना. Bye.